Hello everyone, I'm your host Fadi Abdurrahman Muhammad. This is Sango Insight. Now today we want to discuss, highlight and go through the aspect or the categories of knowing or getting into relationship, personal relationship or business relationship with people. We start with the first process, that is initiation process. This is a process whereby you initiate relationship, whether it's a personal relationship or business relationship. In a personal relationship, let's say this example whereby you are a student, you enrolled in a college or university and you meet some people there and you become friends, allies, acquaintances, colleagues. That is the first initiation of your friendship. Or you are doing a business, you're doing marketing, and you tend to meet some people. That is the first initiative era whereby you meet this particular person and you intend to do business without even doing business. The first meeting, that is the initiating process. Now, this initiating period or this initiating category has a lot of people. In life, you get to find a lot of friends, you get to find a lot of business partners, a lot of clients, a lot of suppliers. It's a pool of people. It has a plenty of people. This is the first category, that is initiating process. At this process, you don't filter much of these people. You just tend to collect them in a conventional manner. You just meet people randomly, you just friends, you meet up, maybe in a matatu, maybe in a public transport, maybe you are going for a journey and you meet, maybe you are going for a jogging and you meet this particular person, and they tend to suit themselves in that category of initiating process. Number 2 is maintaining process. This is the process whereby the first process we have said it has plenty of people. But the second process is when you try to maintain the people you build relationship with, whether personal or business. This category has some few people because you filter many of them. And this one is done in a pragmatic way because you tend to reason. Are we helping each other? What is the rationale behind me having a friend of this manner? Is this person a blessing to me or a menace to me? Is he adding any value to my business or he's not adding any value to my business? In this category, you tend to have a collective friend whereby you go jogging together or you exercise together or you go gym together. So this process has few people, and the many people have been filtered according to categories you have set for yourself. And the third category is the advancing category. This category is most fascinating category because it's done thoroughly. It's done through pragmatic way, in a sensible way. And then this is the period whereby people tend to judge you according to your judgments or according to your conclusion. Because at this juncture, you remain with less people, with very important, vital, imperative people to your business or to your personal relationship. This is the phrase or time frame whereby people tend to guilt trap you because you have done a lot of research and you came up with a specific number which you want to associate with. And then they say, there is a famous quote that says, it is lonely at the top. This phrase comes as a result whereby the people you are choosing, you have chosen them very categorically, very carefully, very sporadically at a time with your own mechanism, with your own judgments and everything. This is the period whereby people tend to tell you, oh, what you only care is money, what you only care is, and then people try to deviate from or alleviate their dreams just to please the populace people in the society. Because in this phase of life, if you're not serious, then you will fall into the initiating processes. Because this is the process whereby you are alone. You tend to have maybe 3 to 4 genuine friends, 3 to 4 genuine business partners. So just sit down and categorize yourself. Which period are you in your life? Are you in an initiating period whereby you're tending to pull a lot of friends, a lot of allies, or maintaining category or maintaining friends in life whereby you are filtering people according to your needs and according to your categories and according to your judgments and according to everything you want in life? Or you're in advancing period whereby you know what you want in life and you have a specific direction you're going. I hope you have gotten some insights today. Now do me a solid. If you find value out of this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this insightful information with others.